This fitting guide is for the RMFS. Inside the box you will find 7 separate pieces. First, remove the headrest from the driver's seat. First, grab the driver's side backrest cover, identifiable by the logo on the left. Undo all of the hook and loop fastenings, before throwing the cover over the back of the seat. Secure the cover around the headrest fixings. Pull the cover down and around the armrest, before securing the hook and loop fastenings again. These hook and loop fastenings pull around the seat adjuster, as you can see here. Pull the cover down past the seat adjuster on the other side of the seat, and attach the hook and loop fastenings at the back. Next, tuck this flap through to the back of the seat and pull it out from the other side. This is again secured using hook and loop fastenings. Next, take the base cover, which is identifiable from these 2 tabs. Throw the base cover over the base of the seat and tuck it behind the plastic housing. As before, tuck this tab through to the back of the seat but this time it is secured to the hook and loop fastenings on the side of the base cover. This applies for both sides. You can now put the headrest back into the seat before pulling the headrest cover over the top of the headrest. This simply secures with the hook and loop fastenings. Next, take the single piece backrest cover and make sure all of the hook and loop fastenings are undone. For this part of the fitting, it's easier to pull the seat forward. Loop the backrest cover over the top of the seat and pull it all the way down to the base of the seat. As with the driver's seat, take this tab and push it through to the back of the seat. With the seat fully collapsed, secure the hook and loop fastening at the bottom of the seat. Put the seat back into an upright position and feed this tab through to the back of the seat. It then attaches to the hook and loop at the back. Repeat this process on the other side of the seat. Remove the passenger headrest and grab the backrest cover for this seat. This is identifiable by the logo on the right. Again, make sure you undo all of the hook and loop fastenings. Before looping the cover around the seat like you're putting on a jacket, secure the cover around the headrest fixings. Pull the seatbelt forward and tuck the cover behind the seatbelt. Next, make sure the cover is pulled around the sides of the seat. Repeat this on the other side of the seat. Take this tab and push it through to the back of the seat and attach to the 2 hook and loop fastenings at the back. And then secure the hook and loop fastenings on the side of the seat from top to bottom. This part of the fitting can be quite tight, so you may have to pull the cover with a bit of force. Make sure you fasten it all the way to the bottom. Take the remaining headrest cover, pop the headrest inside the cover, and secure the hook and loop fastenings like so. You can now put the headrest back into the seat. Next, take the double base cover and throw it over the base of the seat. Make sure to pull it down around all of the corners. Once on, push the tabs through to the back of the seat. And do the same on the other seat, making sure to take care that all of the hook and loop is unfastened. This hook and loop on the side attaches behind the seat adjuster. The base cushion is then fastened together at the back using this hook and loop strap. And finally, attach the hook and loop on the other side of the seat. Your seats are now fully protected.